This movie is produced by Aida Chemical Industries, who is the manufacturer of art clay product. This is the series of tutorial, comprising 15 movies, introducing different technique of art clay. We hope you learn how to make a silver jewelry work with art clay product from this movie.
After firing art clay silver, it turns out white. Polish entire piece to show silver surface. After polishing fired ring with a stainless steel brush to have silver surface, apply sponge sanding pad of 320 to 600 grit. Polish in the same direction will make hairline finish. After the work has been polished with a stainless steel brush to show silver surface, polish it with sponge sanding pad in the order of red, blue, and green. The grit gets finer in the order of red, blue and green. Polishing with finer grit pad will get rid of rough scratch, and the piece will be closer to mirror surface. If you cannot make rough scratch disappeared, back to coarse grit to repolish. After polishing with green sponge sanding pad, use a polishing cloth. Lastly, wipe it with a clean soft cloth or tissue paper, and you will see luster of mirror finish. It is a brightness of original silver, and is luxury finish.
Art clay products are available through authorized distributors, located around the world. We have strong distribution network, and community to support your creation with art clay. They are not only selling art clay, but also giving people a chance to learn art clay technique. Art clay is an educational material. You are not only make a beautiful silver jewelry work with art clay silver, but also learn and skill up your technique. Enrich your life from learning. If you are interested in art clay product, please contact them. If you don't find the country where you live in the list, find the closest distributor or contact us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.